Hi guys, KOT here. Let me introduce you to sites and resources to learn data science this 2023. These sites offer free courses to take on machine learning and artificial intelligence lessons. That means you don't have to pay thousands of dollars to enroll on online data science courses. What even makes it more interesting is that these resources are provided by top-notch universities in the field. So if you're ready, let's check them out. All right, so the first site to check out is MIT's open learning platform called MIT Open Courseware. This offers a wide range of resources, courses, materials, and teaching resources. All right, so I've shared a link to the site. That's MIT Open Courseware. I've shared a link in the description section. You just click on the link and it will bring you straight to this page. So what to do here is to, do your search. So in this case, we want to search something on machine learning. So we just do a general search. A lot of resources displayed, over 1,800 resources or results for only search for machine learning. You can even filter your search, by selecting a specific department. Let's say architecture, mathematics, biology. All right, you can do all those filters. You can even filter by level. Maybe you want undergraduates or graduates level free resource, or even by topic. All right, so these are all interesting filters you can use for your search. Okay, so when you come here, you see the courses, and then they have resources. The resources are mainly some assignments and some codes, right, provided there. So I think the courses, you just click on the courses and you see several courses under the search. We have machine learning, mathematics of machine learning through to machine learning for healthcare, prediction, machine learning, and statistics. All right. So amazing machine learning of mathematics of big data and machine learning. So these are cool resources. They are for free. If you're a tutor, you can also come here and have some materials to prepare your coursework. If you are a student, you have these resources to learn from. All right, available for free. So let's check one of them. I've actually tried two of the courses here, so I'm going to use them as demonstration. So the first one is the machine learning, this course. All right, so you just click on the course and then it will bring you to the page for the course, showing you all the resources available for that particular course. So the syllabus, the readings, the lecture notes, assignments, and other resources. Okay, and giving some description of the course. You can read, some of these things. But to get a resource for the course, you just have to download the course. Just click on download the course, and then it will show you the various contents of the file to download. Okay, including the assignments, exams, lecture notes, readings, tools, and other things. One interesting thing about this course is it provides you with assignments that gives you hands-on practice, all right, of whatever you are learning. So you get engaged, and then you learn as you read, or you practice as you read. So you just hit on download course, and you are good to go. So my course has been downloaded. So I just have to go ahead and unzip it and start using the course materials. Okay, so that's it for just a demonstration. You can go back, explore several other courses, right, like artificial intelligence, data science. They have a lot of them. One other course I've tried from MIT Open Courseware is the Introduction to Computational Thinking and data science. Okay, so that one also has reading materials and even lecture videos. I mean, it's also very interesting. So that one, just as we demonstrated for the other one, you just download the course, okay, and then you go ahead to unzip it and start using the contents. So that's it for MIT Open Courseware. So the second resource is from Harvard University. They have free courses. Okay. As well, I've shared the link to this site in the description section and some available courses. All right, specifically focusing on machine learning and data science in the description section. So you can just check them out. So you come to the Harvard University site and you go to free courses. All right, so you come to this page and you see several of those free courses, over 106 results. All right, introduction to game development, prediction X, introduction to computer science. I've actually explored two major data science resources from Harvard University. This free online course, and then one is the introduction to artificial intelligence with Python. All right, it's a cool free resource. All right, closing soon. But the interesting thing is it is free, it's online, and then it's archived. All right, so you can find it on the edX platform. So if you want to learn it, it's available. Self-paced, 7 weeks long, and it takes barely 10 to 30 hours per week commitment, and it's available in English. Yeah, this is an amazing resource you like to explore, and specifically for this particular course, introduction to artificial intelligence with Python is absolutely cool, and you like to learn a lot. Topics covering computer science, data algorithms, artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, neural networks, programming, and Python. All right, so just check it out. I've shared the link to this in the description section. These resources are free. You don't have to pay anything. You go to some other sites, you have to pay huge sums, like the thousands, the 2000s, to get access to some of these resources. But MIT, Harvard, and co are providing these for free. Take advantage of it and pursue your data science dream. Okay, so that's one of the courses from Harvard. There's one other course, that's data science, machine learning, from Harvard, which is also free online, just as demonstrated earlier, right? And available on edX. You can, it's self-paced as well. Takes barely 8 weeks to complete the course in English. All right, so check the description section for the links to these courses. You can also explore other courses as you want. You can view all courses, and then you explore the ones you think will be beneficial. All right, but today we are looking at machine learning. That's why I'm just suggesting some of the courses to you. So the third site is from Stanford Online. Okay, this is also an amazing site with a lot of free resources to pursue your data science goal. All right, so I've shared the link as well in the description section with some free courses, some selected courses. You can explore others as well. Okay, so you come straight to the Stanford Online site and you go to free stuff. Okay, so you click on free stuff and it brings you to free online courses and a free content library. So let's explore the free online courses. Okay, so They have categories for their free online courses, health and medicine, education, engineering, art and humanities, and you can browse all. Okay, so depending on your niche, you can browse all. Okay, because and then do a search, say machine learning. Okay, so these are some amazing search results from machine learning, and it's open for enrollment. Most of them are open for enrollment, and it's online at edX. All right, you can enjoy these courses. So I've also sampled two of these courses from Stanford, and one is the statistical learning. This is one of the amazing courses I've explored on Stanford online. It is cool. You would like to check it out. Tuition is $0.00 online at edX, and the materials are available for you to use at any time. You'll be working in our studio and other um, coding platforms. Okay, so you just click on enroll, and then you can enroll on the course. Okay, so whenever you enroll, the start date will be the day you clicked on it, or the day you enrolled on the program. All right, so that will be your start date. So it's absolutely free. You can explore that. So that is it for statistical learning. And one other course that will be of interest to you is mining massive data sets. Right. So machine learning and artificial intelligence are, I mean, they are nothing if you don't have data to 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 work on. So you have to also understand how to mine massive data sets. So this course is also very useful. Um, 0.00 tuition online at edX. You have to also click on enroll, and you can enjoy the course. The course syllabus has been given here. The week 1, whatever you learn, week 2, week 3, and up to the end of the course. Okay, yeah. Some offer certificate at the end of the study, which could be used. I mean, you can include them on your CVs that you've taken a course on some of these topics. Okay, yeah, so that's basically some of the free resources we've explored for pursuing data science lessons, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and um the others. Okay, so check them out: MIT Open Courseware, Harvard Online, and then Stanford Online. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit on the notification bell so you get updates whenever I upload a new video.